You often hear the terms renaturation and rewilding these days. But how could this actually look like? This wooden hut stands right in front what once was a mining site and is now a protected area where many birds, insects, plants and mammal species found a new home. The Zacharias Lake near Lippstadt, Germany is protected since the 1990s and a great example what can happen if you give back land to nature. It is basically an explosion of life. Where are your favorite renaturalized places? Tell me in the comments, subscribe for more nature content, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!